Okay, so here we are in Trayam. What's the name of the school again? Anong pangalan ng school, Wilson? Wilson, anong pangalan ng school nito? Okay, so here we go with teacher Prapakon, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so she's gonna show us today.
So we are in Nawamin Trachinotit.
Okay,
Trayam Udom Suksa
Nom Cloud.
Nom Cloud School.
Okay. And we want to document how to make an authentic somtam with teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher, what's your nickname, teacher? Nickname?
Nueng.
Nueng. Okay, Nueng. Nueng means one, so it means we're going to make number one somtam in Thailand. All right. Okay, so yeah. So what's the secret, teacher? Alay na secret in making somtam. Taday aroy ah.
Spicy.
It should be spicy.
Spicy and the what is that? Pala.
Yeah. Oh, that's it.
And this one.
All right, that's the
Yeah,
fish sauce. So that's the secret of making a delicious somtam. Okay, so we're doing somtam pala, teacher, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe I need to go somewhere right here so that it will be okay, nicer, right? The view is nicer. Okay. So if you are in Thailand, you should try the Somtam Pala. Okay, authentic Thai food that they are doing here in Thailand. All right. So we're here. Hello, teacher. Oh yeah. Okay.
จะหัดไปทำอะไรคะเนี่ย
วิดีโอครับ
ไปดูเล่น
ใช่วิดีโอเล่น แล้วก็ลง YouTube ด้วย
เป็นบล็อก
ถ้าได้มีบล็อกเราขอเงินด้วย
Very good
Okay, so we're making somtam. Okay, that's it. Right. Basically the
ไม่ใช่ต้อง
ingredients.
อินครบ
Okay. Okay. Wow, very nice. Okay.
อันนี้ไปหนึ่งมาจากต่อนี่ไงต่อคิวหนึ่ง
Okay, so basically the ingredients of somtam are the following. Okay, so she's now in the process of tasting the like soup. It has. She said the secret has to be spicy, and then a little sweet and sour.
ปูปู
Yeah, oh, that's it. That's the secret of having a delicious. Yeah, right. Of a delicious somtam. Okay, very nice. Okay. All right, and of course, the secret is beating the ingredients, and of course the papaya with a little of carrots. That's the secret of. That's the main ingredient of somtam. Okay, right there, and she's now beating the papaya with the sauce. The sauce is made up of tomatoes, fish sauce, and also lemon. And she said the secret is it should be spicy. Sometimes should be spicy so that it would be delicious. And this is Ajarn Nueng, and she's tasting the somtam now. All right. Ajarn Nueng is our head in the English department at Ratanakosin Sumpot Latraban School. Okay. So are we done, teacher? Are we done? Said Liang. Wow, here we go. That's the authentic somtam pala in Thailand. Okay. So there you go, guys. How to make a delicious somtam. Wow, thank you, Ajarn. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. And then this is authentic Filipino, but can Belson Balubar.
Filipino Thai.
Yes, authentic Filipino Thai. And this is teacher Luning Ning.
Authentic Ilocano.
Ilocano Thai. Ilocano Thai parang.
Parang Ilocano.
Parang Ilocano. Okay. Of course, I'm your host, Edgar. Say bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay.